Braiding for oneself is hard, but I've found a way to make it easier. Hello and welcome to Braids by the HairSmith. So today's fixture is a self-conroll tutorial. No teammate, no assist, no coach, just me, my comb, and my determination. So what I'm trying to do here is to section my hair into two equal parts. Trust me, with patience, you can do it. It is so much more possible. You just have to try to calm down and section the hair into two equal parts. So with self-braided cornrow, you want to make sure you're not in a hurry to braid the hair. You have to try as much as possible to take your time to part your hair properly so that it can come out nice when you're done. The VAR has confirmed the lines, so I will now go ahead to subsection the hair so I can start braiding as soon as possible. So because I want the cornrow to be 6 altogether, I'm going to braid one part 3 and the other part 3, so altogether I'll be having 6 cornrows. So you can go ahead and subsection it into 4 parts each, or 5 parts each, or even 6 or 7 or 8 depending on your preference. For me, I would prefer the 3 parts so that I can take them out easily without stress. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it is kickoff time. Let's go. To begin with, you want to gather a small piece of hair at the very front of the row and split it into 3 equal strands, left, middle, and right. Then you cross the left strand under the middle strand and also cross the right strand under the new middle strand. That is basically how to cornrow. It's just about crossing each strands under each other. It's all about rinse and repeat when it comes to cornrow. Rinse and repeat. You cross the left strand under the middle strand, then you cross the right strand under the new middle strand. That is just how to cornrow. As a beginner, we're aiming to get the job done, not to be perfect. So I encourage you to take your time and calm down and braid. Trust me, with patience, perseverance, you will get it done. It is possible. Trust me, it is so much possible. 1 down, 5 more to go. But before I continue, I would like to give a shout out to my Arsenal fans. Hey, Arsenal in the building, all Arsenal fans in the building. I greet you, I see you, I salute you. Yeah, congrats to us for winning the Prem. Yeah. Now I'm trying to section the hair into 2 equal parts for my next cornrow. Self-braiding has always taught me to never give up and to believe in myself that I can do something. That whatsoever I set my mind to achieve, I can do it. That is what self-braiding has done to me. And funny enough, I've been self-braiding for the past 10 years. Ever since I've been in Ghana, I can count the number of times that I've been to the salon to get my hair braided. It has always been me, my comb, and my determination. Yeah. As a beginner, you want to ensure that your hands are very close to your scalp. Make sure that your hands are very close to your scalp when braiding. This would ensure that your cornrow comes out neat. And also, prepping your hair really matters. That means you've done the washing, you've detangled it properly, because when your hair is tangled, it's kind of make the cornrow not to go on properly. So you want to make sure that your hair is well detangled, especially if your hair is a natural hair like mine. You want to comb, add in your leave-in conditioner to make it easier for you to braid. So now I'm done with the first 45 minutes of the game. So we're going into the second half. Yeah. And if you're still watching this video up until now, I want to say a very big thank you. I really appreciate you for staying and watching this video. It means so much to me. Thank you. I hope you stay. I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe because there is a lot more in store for you guys. Yeah, and my next video will be on how I braided my hair with the knitting wool. Yes, you heard me, the knitting wool. It will actually be my first time trying to braid my hair with a knitting wool. So if you haven't braided your hair with the wool before, maybe this would be the video that you need. That will kind of convince you to try it out, okay? I also want to say a big shout out and a huge thank you to all my Ghanaian clients who believed in me right from the first day they set their eyes on me. Clients like Adoma, she really trusted me as a foreigner. She gave her hair to me like, Madam, just do whatever you want to do. Like, most of you guys actually, without even seeing some of my handwork, you guys believe that I could, do something nice on you. So, and going as far as giving me referrals, like you guys are the MVP. All my Ghanaian clients, I appreciate you all. And I would never, I don't take you guys for granted. Thank you so much. Medasi, Akwe, Oiwaladon. So getting to this part, I realized that my line is not straight, especially with this cornrow that I'm braiding. Yeah, it's the fourth one. But hey, no one is perfect, and it's better to get the job done than to be looking for perfection. So we move. I'm going to cover with a wig anyway. Big shout out to all Madridista, the White Angels. Yeah, this season has been tough, quite tough for all Madridistas out there. Just as how this last two cornrow is kind of tough for me. Yeah. I totally got it wrong with the line. So, but I said I'm not going to take it out. Yeah, all White Angels in the building. I'm so sorry. 2 seasons, no trophy, nothing. Even with signing Mbappe, the situation became worse. I just hope this coming season, we're going to make it right and get things done. Okay? So at this point, I had to unbraid, then resection the hair into 2 equal parts and start all over again. These are some of the struggles with braiding your hair by yourself. Crooked lines, pains, you start to feel uncomfortable with your hands, your shoulder especially. Well, as they say, no pain, no gain. So you just want to take your time and, braid your hair. Take some little breaks if possible. Yeah, stretch your hands, then you continue. With time, you get the job done. Like I said, you don't have to be in a hurry when braiding your hair. And at this point, I'm done. Maybe, oops, I'm not done. So, would you rather prefer braiding for yourself or just going to the salon to get the job done for you? Whichever way, it is fine. It's all good. So, I'm just trying to tidy the down to make it all together. Yeah, just like that. And the final whistle has been blown. This is the result, guys. Thank you for staying and watch this video. Yeah. AFA, Anna. See you soon. Bye.